In high-threat airspaces, traditional surveillance drones face a critical dilemma: speed versus persistence. USAvionix aims to eliminate that trade-off with the Delta, a subsonic jet-powered ISR drone engineered for rapid deployment, wide-area surveillance, and autonomous operations. Reaching speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, the Delta bridges the speed gap between conventional propeller-driven UAVs and tactical jet aircraft. Designed to operate over ranges spanning 300 to well over 500 kilometers, the airframe features self-launch capabilities and vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, eliminating the need for fixed runways or complex catapult launch systems in forward-deployed environments. At the core of the platform is USAvionix's Phalanx AI architecture. Delta is built to fly solo missions or operate collaboratively as part of an autonomous fleet. The onboard AI dynamically updates mission logic in real time, sharing intelligence feeds across the network without relying on continuous ground control intervention. This enables distributed sensor coverage across vast, contestable geographic areas. Modern ISR requires resilience against heavy electronic warfare and GPS jamming. Delta utilizes a combined mesh networking and satellite uplink system, maintaining tactical data sharing and fleet coordination even when operating deep inside communications-denied environments. With high-speed jet propulsion, vertical recovery, and edge AI fleet coordination, the USAvionix Delta represents the next generation of scalable autonomous ISR. What do you think of VTOL jet-powered UAVs in modern air defense networks?